if you're looking for a super simple, light, refreshing cocktail. Doesn't get much easier than a salty dog. All we need is 3 ounces of grapefruit juice and 2 ounces of gin. Let's get started. I just squeezed my grapefruit juice out into this glass. A half a grapefruit gave me just about 3 ounces of grapefruit juice. So I'm going to put my shaker cup on the scale, zero it out, add my grapefruit juice to 3 ounces per serving, add my gin, 2 ounces per serving. I've got my ice all ready to go in the other part of my shaker cup. Gonna pop that on there, get that ice in there. Go ahead and give it a shake. Sometimes it gets a little stuck. Now, it's called a salty dog because usually people, well, sometimes people salt their rims of their glasses before they put the cocktail in. I don't prefer a salted rim, so I don't salt my rims, but you may choose to do so, obviously. We're going to double strain that into a chilled cocktail glass. And if you don't have fresh grapefruit, I'm sure some jarred grapefruit juice will work. It's got a nice, light grapefruit taste to there. The gin just doesn't break through the grapefruit juice too strongly. I think it's a nice balance that 3 ounces of grapefruit juice to 2 ounces of gin, but you can try for yourself and see if you want to play with the ratios. But a nice, light, citrusy drink and super easy. Enjoy.